Here we have a bit of a favourite of mine. This is a 100% Beaver fur felt from Fepsa. It's a sort of teal blue colour, and it's a lovely design. I really like the raking back at the top there. It's a teardrop on the top, a beautiful blue 38mm Gosgrain with a lovely bow, traditional bow there. Inside, it's one of my regular silk linings with the embroidered logo. It's got a 2-inch leather sweatband in there, which is of a sort of burgundy colour, which is very nice with my logo embossed in it. The actual crown height on this one is 11 and a bit centimetres, and the brim is 6.5 centimetres. So it's a very nicely proportioned hat. I have added some stiffener to this, so it's a nice weight to it, if you like. But I'll show you what it's like on, because this one, I'll just check the size, but I think it's a 60. Let's have a look. Yeah, this is a 60, and let's have a look. So there we are, a really quite nice fedora in teal blue, up for sale very soon.